In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Cosmic Playground on Roblox. It's going to be a full guide breaking down everything you need to know. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, when you load into the game, it's going to look something like this for you. You can somewhat customize this immediately. If you just go ahead and select settings down on the bottom right, you could change it from playground to realistic to bright. It is completely up to you. Sorry for that little flashbang. But to actually customize your playground, you need to go down to the very bottom and select add. And the first thing you're going to want to do is select objects over here. I recommend adding a sun first, and we'll go ahead and add one way away from that sun over there because we don't want them intertwining, right? But essentially just go ahead and add something like a sun. From here, I recommend going to planets, and there's moons on here as well, black holes, so much stuff. So go through, customize it however you want. But let's just go ahead and start with just a basic, solar system. We'll add Earth, and you could select orbit place, and you can place it around the sun, for example, so that it actually orbits it just like so. Then, for example, I could go ahead and get myself a moon, and then I could object place. I could place it right around the Earth as well. And what's cool about this is not only will these kind of rotate together, but sometimes it'll also like burn up and cause extra things. So that would cause debris to go into the Earth and cause actual damage to it, which is pretty cool. So here we go. We have a basic solar system right here. I mean, obviously there's a lot more stuff that we could go ahead and add, like Mercury, Venus, Saturn. Let's go ahead and add Saturn real quick. We'll put it right here. I know obviously this is not super realistic, but hey, we're just having fun. There's properties. You can go ahead and adjust the individual properties for this as well. There's also going to be creator settings. And then, of course, you also have upgrades and stuff that you can do all down here. But that's really the full process and the basic process of playing this game. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.